New moon of December the 20th in 2025. New moon of December the 20th in 2025 will mainly have an effect on January 26. The new moon is in the third house, where Venus also is located, which is the lord of the ascendant and therefore forms the core of the events in the period from December 20th, 2025 to January the 18th in 2026. The third house, which is a house of consultation and discussion, will therefore dominate here and be of great importance to the country itself because Jupiter, which is the depositor of the sun and the moon, is evolving towards the cusp of the 10th house, which determines the country's reputation in the world. The moon is the actual ruler of the 10th house, and the sun is the intercepted lord of the 10th house. As a result, the country's reputation, even its hidden aspects, is subject to intense discussion and deliberation. The ascendant itself is in Libra, which means that compromises are sought, and the ruler Venus is in the sign of Sagittarius in the third house. We can therefore say that the discussion will be heated. Although Jupiter, this positor of Venus, is already tending towards the 10th house, Jupiter is retrograde, which delays the solution to the problem. Jupiter is also square with Chiron, which is in the 7th house, symbolizing the opposition of others. Furthermore, Mars, which rules the 7th house, is also in the 3rd house, but in the rather rigid sign of Capricorn, which does not make the discussion any easier, as everyone stubbornly sticks to their position. Nevertheless, there appears to be an opening because Chiron is in a trine with the Sun, the Moon, and Venus, ruler of the ascendant, which suggests that a compromise will be found in some way or another. We can see that it is all about money, because Pluto, lord of the 2nd house, is intercepted in the 4th house and forms a wide opposition with Jupiter, lord of the 3rd house. The country is confronted with a delicate financial issue that hangs over its head like a sword of Damocles. The 2nd house also contains the Black Moon, which forms an opposition with Uranus, the intercepted lord of the 4th house, and is in the 8th house, which governs the capital of others. It is therefore indeed difficult to find a suitable solution for the management of the capital of others. The 2nd house also contains Mercury, which rules the 12th and the 11th house, and is square to the North lunar node, indicating the hidden forces that play a strong role here and complicate a financial situation. Mars, which as lord of the 7th house represent others, is square to Neptune, which is lord of the 5th and the 6th house. The country's policy and indirectly employment are severely affected by the difficulty of reaching a compromise with others. Saturn, as lord of the fourth house, is conjunct Neptune, which makes the country situation uncertain and very vulnerable. The Saturn Neptune conjunction is in trine with the black moon in the second house, and both form a trine to the MC. It is quite possible that a solution will be found involving a financial settlement, but our country will continue to be held accountable for it. It is certain a difficult situation in which to make the right decision.